Hello, me Chen. He is thinking about online earning, but he doesn't know how he can earn. He knows how to generate income, and there are many ways to earn income, but he doesn't know exactly how he can get into it. So he was a little confused about it. He doesn't have any skill. Finally, he is now deciding there could be some ways of earning. So he decided there must be two paths. From these two paths, one of them is freelancing. He can earn through freelancing, and that means that he can earn using his skills, but he doesn't have any skills right now. So there is one more option for him, and that is passive income, where he can do some hard work and earn money. So he decided and move on to that. He finally decided that if he doesn't have any skill, no investment, so why don't he go towards the passive income? The passive income can give you the ease of earning, the long term earning, and he doesn't need any skills as well. So finally, he is about to earn through passive income. Now, what exactly he needs while he moves towards the passive income? He needs to work really hard, and he has to be more patient about it. I mean, he would be taking almost 3 or 4 months. It might be around 5 to 6 months as well. So once he started earning through passive income, he will be getting more income. I mean, if he is not even working after 4 or 5 months, he would be generating income. That's because of the passive income. Now, as he decided through a passive income, he is now able to guide everyone about it, and now he looks a little satisfied as well. And now he's earning a good amount of money, and now he looks a little happy. So Chen has finally found his passive income has many options. I mean, you can earn online money through passive income by using one method that I'm going to tell you is through blogging. Blogging is one option that can give you passive income. You have to write different articles, and if you are not able to write articles, there are many tools available right now which can help you write different articles. So you can also earn through passive income. If you like the video, please subscribe for more information about it. And if you need any help, just write a comment so that I can help you how to earn through passive income.